Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and I hope everyone is doing okay. This is day 181 of our daily vlog journey. I still can't believe we have finally officially ended our 6th month and we have entered into our day sorry. We have entered into the month 7. 6 months are already behind us and now another chapter begins. Thank you to every single one of you who have been watching, liking, commenting, and supporting this journey. Whether you have been since day one or you have just joined recently, I truly appreciate you all. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started with today's vlog. So today started a little differently than usual because my mom wasn't home. That meant I had the responsibility of taking care of the whole house in the even morning, even evening and afternoon, and I woke up around 8 a.m. That is too early for me, and instead of directly going getting ready for my work, I had to finish all the household chores, from organizing thing and looking after workers, making sure everything was in place. I stayed busy until around 9:30 a.m. Honestly, doing household work makes you realize how much effort goes into maintaining a home every single day. It's something we often don't think about, but when the responsibility comes to you, you understand how much work it actually is. It definitely gave me a new level of appreciation. After like finishing everything, I quickly get ready because I had logged in for work at exactly 10 a.m. My work day started. Today was work was honestly one of the busiest day I had recently. Most of my day revolved around database migration, understanding the migration process, preparing documentation, and handling multiple tasks along with that assigned to me. There were a lot of discussion, planning, and technical work happening throughout the day. One interesting thing we did today was working on the proof of concept. It basically the first step where you validate whether a particular approach will work before implementing it completely. Right now, I am still learning the complete database migration process. Slowly and steadily, I am understanding every step involved. My goal is that after learning everything properly, I will be able to perform the complete database migration by myself without needing much guidance. That's one thing I love about software engineering. Every project teaches you something new, every week brings a new challenge, and every challenge forces you to grow. Sometimes it feels difficult while learning, but later those small same things become part of your skill set. Since work was so busy, I didn't even get proper time for lunch break. I simply had my lunch in between the task and immediately got back to work. There was meeting, documentation, and other sort of topic. Before I even knew, the entire day had passed. One thing I really happy about today is that even though the work was hectic, I didn't skip my workout from 7 to 7:30, only 30 minutes. I managed to complete my leg day. Sometimes after sitting in front of the laptop for hours, exercising feels difficult, way too difficult. But I have promised myself that no matter how busy life gets, I will try my best to stay consistent. Consistency is what build discipline. You don't always feel motivated, but discipline keeps you moving even on the day when you are tired. Even a 30-minute workout is much better than doing nothing at all. Even though I was able to complete my 10k steps too with that. So today mission was accomplished. Everything was done after I finished work around 8 p.m. I finally came back home. By the time my mom had returned as well. And honestly, after such a busy day, I didn't have much energy left. I had dinner with my family, relaxed for a while, and that's pretty much how the rest of the evening went. Finally, around like 11 p.m., I got free and sat down to record this vlog. Even though today wasn't filled with exciting adventures or travel, it was realistic day, reflected what actual life looks like for a developer. Some days are just about responsibilities, about learning, about surviving deadlines, and simply showing up, doing your work, taking care of your family, exercising, and ending the day feeling grateful. I think that's what this daily vlog series is really about. Not every day has to be extraordinary. As we have already entered month 7, I have only one promise. I will continue uploading every single day. No matter how busy life gets, no matter how tired I am, I will keep this journey alive together. Let's see where we can reach by the end of this year. I hope all of you continue supporting me just like you have till now. So your likes, comment, and message genuinely motivates me to keep growing. If you enjoyed today's vlog, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, comment below telling me how your day went. I love reading your comments and interact with you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow with day 182. Until then, take care, sleep happy, sleep well, take care, stay happy, and stay consistent. Work on your health, keep working toward your goals. That's all. Tata, bye bye.